Faith is the most influential player and head of house. How does that make you feel?
Hi.
I was like, really? The most influential one was surprising, shocking even, jarring.
I think he is not. I think there's something wrong with him.
Half of the house, they're like, who voted for him, who voted for him, who voted for him? I also said who voted for him because I didn't vote for him.
I mean, good for him. He's good at what he does, but like everybody has been complaining, and I am included in those people.
His regime of HOH ship, wow. Wow, Biggie, that's all I can say for his style of HOH. Wow.
I say it's not just what you say, it's how you say, it's when you say it. His choice of words, crazy.
So he has this impression where he feels like he knows how to do things better.
He's a bully. I don't know, maybe I don't know if I'm allowed short man syndrome. I don't know. I think he does too much. I know you're supposed to do the most, but in a wrong way. I feel he could handle things better without being too, like that whole spilling kerosene and blah, blah, it was very unnecessary.
He just goes on to do things without actually thinking, like, I don't even know Biggie. Like, he's a great person, he's a very brilliant person, but there's just something about him when it comes to relating with other people, and he just doesn't think that it's a problem. And he does this thing where he's constantly provocative.
He's a very smart guy, but sometimes he can be so authoritative and can come off as an abusive person because his words sometimes are strong.
I don't know. But I think he's trying, He's trying his best, unlike other people. Yeah.